We're going Facebook Live. You want to be on?
No.
Okay, it's going. Hi. We're live at the Visionary Salon. We're going to be doing our new hair Botox treatment. HairB, actually, because the word Botox is, I think what they said was, no, well, Botox is, the word has already been taken, so the company had to change the name to HairB, but it is like Botox for your hair, but it is non-toxic. So we're just shampooed with the HairB shampoo, and now we are going to, we're just towel drying it. And this is my dear friend, Perry, who actually told me about the HairB, and she actually vacations in Egypt in the summer times, and she sees a stylist out there who is a celebrity stylist, and he has a whole bunch of new and innovative products there. So she came home and asked me if I had heard of it, and I said no, and I freaked out because I was like, what is it? Oh my gosh, I have to have it. The other thing is I haven't done a live event like this. I think I did one other one at the with the kids, but so this is kind of my first work live event. So welcome, and hopefully you can enjoy. We'll probably sign off and then sign back on so that we can do the processing, because you don't want to sit here with me for an hour while she processes. But if you have any questions, go ahead and ask us. We'll try to get to you. I'll try to answer them as I go along, and we'll see how this goes, okay? Alrighty, so hair Botox is basically a straightening and smoothing system. We can smooth the hair and get rid of frizz. So I'm going to be kind of instructing Erica as well. In fact, actually, let's take off your necklace. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, here's one. So Erica hasn't done the treatment yet. I've done it once. If you saw my Facebook post, you'll probably see that I had done it on another friend of mine. She's loving her results, actually. She just washed her hair. It was she waited 2 days before she washed it. So we're gonna just apply a little bit of the product. We're not gonna go, I'm doing her ends under here because it's like really healthy hair, but generally we don't do the ends and we don't do the roots. Okay. We wanna just do mid-shaft.
Smells so good.
Yeah, it does. And it does. It smells like almost like a cream, like a hand cream or a conditioner. I am super allergic. For anybody that knows me, I'm super allergic to any kind of the keratins or like most of the chemicals that straighten hair. I get super sick. So I was really excited to find this because I haven't been able to do Brazilian blowouts or very many keratin type treatments that I feel work really well, because if they work really good, they usually have formaldehyde in them. So I can't do them, which is a drag, because a lot of us need this this anti-frizz treatment. This also seals the hair, seals the cuticle. All right, so it's weird being live because I feel like, I don't know, like a little, like I'm on camera.
You're doing great then.
All right. Okay, so now I've got to focus here. So if I don't talk too much, I apologize, but I want to stay focused here. It needs to be done. Let's see, what was I going to say? It can lighten the color a little bit. So if you're going to have your hair colored, you want to do it probably right before you get your hair colored. But I'll double check on that as well. And then Erica, if you can every once in a while just kind of check and see if we need to answer any questions, that would be awesome. I know it's in a little weird spot, but
yeah.
So I'm just taking thin sections and applying it about a quarter inch away from the scalp. So Perry, when you had this done in Egypt, what were your results? And how did you hear about it? Did he just tell you, like, I had?
No, it was through a friend, and all I knew about was the keratin or the Brazilian blowout, and then I heard about this, and I was very curious to try it.
Had you had the Brazilian blowout before?
I have, but the smell just gives me migraines.
Okay, so you were allergic to it.
Yeah.
See, I didn't really smell it. It was like the fumes.
Yeah,
and it wasn't right away.
Right, then it burns your throat really bad.
Yeah, I actually have a full systemic reaction to it. I mean, I get like sick immediately, stomach ache, nauseous. It's just, I just wasn't able to do it. And it, like, the process of it works. That's the bummer thing, is that it's so good.
That's
but the sad thing is that people compromise their health, or they'll do it even though it can hurt them because it has such good results. So I have been looking and looking and looking for something that was, you know, comparable. And it's hard to find things that are comparable to the Brazilian blowout is the one I'm referring to. And like I said, it works, but the formaldehyde is just, I'm so allergic to it. So, and I also don't want to compromise my client's health by using it. So this does not have formaldehyde. From what I understand, since it's pretty new though, is it has, uses fruit acids. And Erica, actually, if you could go to this. So it has amino acids that repair, buildup, and damage from the inside out. It promotes healthy hair growth, and it improves texture, shine, and manageability. And the humidity blocking fatty acids do that. So just really cool. Like I'm really excited. This is only the second one we've done, but apparently in Miami and in Hollywood, like LA, they're doing it, and there's lines out the door. People love it, and obviously in Egypt and Europe. And I know that they are in Dubai. They're pretty innovative. I think we're some of the last people to get it. So anyways, we're just applying from roots to, I leave just about this much out on the end, depending on how long the hair is. And we only put it on there for like the last 5-10 minutes of the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep moving here. Hi, Joelle. Who else is in here? Anna. Oh, Anna, hi. And Mike. Hey, what's up, Mike? Haven't seen you in a long time. I honestly don't know how to do this Facebook Live thing, so bear with me. Okay. So this process is, this part, you know, isn't very exciting, but Erica, when you start applying these, I'll probably have you be doing a lot of them. You just want to do, you know, kind of a quick application.
Yeah.
And generally the client has to sit anywhere from 15 minutes for really like light blonde hair, damaged hair, all the way up to 90 minutes, which I feel is a little long, but that would be for someone with maybe like an African-American texture, or really curly hair, and they want it straight, because this will actually straighten the hair too. It can seal the cuticle and repair damaged hair, but it also can really straighten the hair. And there's a booster spray that we'll use, and I don't think we'll do that on you, right? Because you don't want to straighten. You just want to get rid of some of the frizz. And then when you're out, like in humidity, your hair does get kind of puffy. The other thing Perry was saying that she wants to do is be able to blow dry her hair much quicker and style it in the mornings, and that was what she actually, it helped her a lot. Like, right, you were saying that it
takes 5 minutes versus 15-20 minutes when you have the hair Botox on.
Oh, that's perfect. So we'll do this whole process, then we're gonna put it under the dryer. And with Perry, I think we'll probably...
Oh, I think he's still alive.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but I just got a phone call from, it sounds like a, what was it, like a roofing company or somebody wanting to like help me with my home remodeling project. So that's kind of weird. It went black. I don't know what it looked like on your guys' end, but I guess we'll find out. So we're almost done applying here. Yeah, Facebook Live's a little bit different for me. So we'll see. We'll see how we like it. But it's kind of cool, because hopefully in the future we can do, we can interact, and you guys can ask questions, and you can see some of the cool stuff that we do here, because we do cool stuff every day. We have so much fun. And then I don't know if you guys saw, I did a little, kind of like a little video clip on Facebook of the HairB as well, that you guys can check out. And the process is going to be anywhere from 250 to 4, depending on the length and the thickness of the hair. I mean, if you have like super long hair, really super long or really super thick hair can be a little bit more expensive, but I'm definitely going to be offering some, probably some what am I trying to say? Offering some specials. So you guys can try this. So we're almost done with application. Sorry, Carrie.
No, I'm not
I'm staring at the people. The other thing you can do too is, we haven't got the hair Botox information on our website yet. I'm working on that. We'll get all the, the ingredient and all the benefits listed on the website soon. But if you haven't seen our website, check it out. It's avisionarysalon.com, and it does have pretty much everything else that we do. This is so new, and literally we're in the trials of it. So definitely check out our website. And this is really cool. What I loved about this too is that they did some news spots on it in Miami, and they showed children getting it done. They had a pregnant lady doing one. They had a pregnant lady getting one. So if you are pregnant, or if you have a kid that has frizzy hair and you're too afraid to do any of these services, that's another really nice thing, is that we're able to do it on children and pregnant people. So it is very safe. And we'll probably sign off in a minute. I'll actually take you over to the dryer with us, but I'm just gonna kind of smooth through. I'm not combing through to her scalp. I'm just smoothing the product a little bit here. The other thing is it didn't call for a bag or dryer actually. Do you remember going under the dryer?
No.
Okay. So I'm just gonna kind of smooth it, keeping it off of her ends. And where do you part your hair?
Middle. Or no, usually side.
This side?
Go here. Yeah.
Just so, I mean, it's not going to set it solid, but a solid part, but at least we can kind of get it over to the side there. And they say not to get on the scalp because there is fruit acid in it, which I believe there's like glycolic and another fruit acid. I'll find that out too. And they said that it can just cause a little bit of like kind of a burny, itchy feeling, but it would be like with glycolic. It's kind of a tingle. And they said that it's not actually burning, but a tingle is normal, but we keep it off the scalp so you don't have to feel that discomfort. And let me know if you feel any tingling too.
No, everything's good.
All right, so now we're just going to process her. If you could start a timer. Mm-hmm. And we'll do, I'd say let's do 40. Let's start with 40.
Okay.
This is Erica, by the way. She's my assistant. Say hello.
Hi.
Erica also does hair on her own on Wednesday nights. Let's see, Monday nights, Wednesday nights, Saturdays.
Yeah. Pretty open.
Yeah, so she's building her clientele on the days that she's not assisting me, which is really cool. She's had her license for, I think it's 2 years now, right?
Yeah.
All right, so if you wouldn't mind capping that and getting me a towel. So anyways, this is the process. At this point, we just sit and let it process, and then at the last 10 to 15 minutes, we'll run it through the ends. Then we'll be rinsing, masking, blow drying, and flat ironing. So stay tuned and we'll let you know how it goes. Okay, now at this point, I'm just gonna, wonder if we should stay live. You can just talk to people, Carrie. Sorry, I might take them around. I think I'm gonna take you guys around the salon and just kind of show you the shop for anybody who hasn't been here. I'll be back in screen in just a second. And then, once I step away, can you grab a comb and just lightly comb through her ends with no product on it? I just want to smooth them a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to grab this. I'm going to take you guys around the salon. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Kim. Hi, Terry. Okay, so I'm going to take you around the salon. Some of you, of course, have been here. Others have not. But this is my little shop. This is Kelly's station. We have my girlfriend, Kelly Palmer, that I worked with at Special Effects for many, many years. She has this station here. This is our color bar. And this place was a doctor's office before we took over. And we gutted it and completely remodeled it. So I love girly things, but I also want to keep it kind of neutral because we have a lot of guys that come in here too. But this is kind of the front boutique area. And we have a really cute porch that we sit out and have wine in the evenings, and clients can sit out here while they're processing. It's just really nice. We're on the corner. There's a wine bar across the street, which is amazing. So this is like our front desk area. Terry, you were just here yesterday. We have a little office, kind of messy. That's our little office area. There's me. Bathroom, just simple little bathroom. I won't go and show you it, but this little room here, let me turn on the light. This is our little laser area. So we have a cozy little blanket. This is for hair growth and also for treatments. If you have, you know, frizzy, damaged, broken hair, thin areas, hair falling out, we have this low-level laser that works amazing, gives amazing results. We have a lot of clients doing packages. This is our little shampoo room. And then we have a break room, super messy break room in here. But we have a washer and dryer and a fridge. And this is the private suite. So when we have clients that don't want anybody to see their hair or, you know, see them, we do a lot of hair pieces and hair extensions and wigs and different things for people that are suffering with thinning hair. And so we have a private area in here. And then this is my little consultation room. Right now we're just messing around with some hair extension hair and doing some filing. So this is kind of like my little studio. Saying invite people. So I'm gonna try this. I'm not sure how it works, but I'm inviting you guys. So anyways, that's the shop. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and sign off, and then I'll sign back on when we're done with the smoothing treatment, maybe when I'm flat iron or something like that. And thanks for joining. We'll see you soon. Bye.